So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a quick update regarding Microsoft Student Ambassador program, that if you have applied and worried how to check your progress, so finally the mails are out for the checking the progress. You can see we have selected community influencer path. Here is the total number of visitors. If you have applied for the community skiller path, then here it will show total net modules completed. You can select any one path. Now here, if you don't know about Microsoft Student Ambassador program, here is a link in the description box. From there you can access the playlist and apply for this opportunity completely free of cost. Coming over here to the next thing, that how you can verify from the dashboard. So it gets updated every Monday as of now. It was supposed to update on Saturday itself or Sunday, but it got updated in Monday. So assume it for Indian peoples, it is getting updated on Monday. So here you can see two paths are there. You can select any one path. And from here, when you select any of these paths, for example, I'm selecting the community influencer path. Coming down over here, here you'll see one progress report link is there. It is also updated every Monday or Saturday. It will get updated whenever it is updated. You'll get the mail like this. Now coming over here for some of the important things you need to understand for completing this challenge. So this particular cohort, means July cohort, registration will be ending on 30th of June. If you are not able to reach 250 completed modules or 250 visitors and 1000 modules, then your progression, whatever you have earned, for example, you can see here it's showing 80 preferred visitors. So in the next cohort, it will start from October, will be considered, and the previous 80 will be added over here. So if you are not able to fulfill the criteria, you can just apply for the upcoming cohort. How to register, you have find already in the playlist. Now here, out of two particular path, first one seems easy, the influencer path, but community skiller path is more easy, because here we have to do 1000 modules completion. Okay, it can be completed by 2 people, 5 people, even 7 people. Mostly all the modules contain quizzes. It can be easily completed. You can share with your family members, any other people, for example, friends, family members, cousins, all will complete. At least 5 to 7 people can make a group and complete it. It's very easy. Certification or applied skill, if you have already claimed the certification, we have covered regarding the certification DP 600, DP 700, then you'll be getting the certification within 12 months prior to applying for this opportunity. You have to get the certification. If you don't have, you can apply for the applied skill. Now in the applied skill also, a lot of you are facing issue that whenever you try to open any of these courses, you get some error that it is under maintenance. So as per Microsoft, they should at least update it. But here you can see I'm not getting this error. So I think they have fixed. So you can complete the module. Which module you have to complete? Try to complete this particular module assessment. Okay. So let me just open it. So here you can see this is the module assessment. And it's the easiest one which you can complete. Minimum 70% marks is required. It's just like the labs we complete in the Arcade program. All the instruction they'll provide, you have to click on this checkbox, start the assessment. You can complete with tablet, mobile phone and laptop. It takes around 8 minutes or 9 minutes to load, sometimes even more. So you have to wait for it. Do not click on back, otherwise you have to wait for 72 hours. So these two things we have covered. Now one more important thing for completing this challenge, they have added that you need to have Azure for students, or either you have to have GitHub Developer Pack. So it is completely free of cost, and here you need college email ID for Azure for student. Second thing, for GitHub Developer Pack, you need proof. For example, your college ID, fees receipt, you can use it. How to apply for this opportunity? Simply you have to come to the GitHub Developer Pack. Create a GitHub account first of all. Simply click on sign up. After that, you have to click on start a new application. Select as a student, mention your college. Okay. And you can select the college over here. Okay, just select your college. For example, if I just select, if it is asking for college email ID, then you have to provide, then click on share location. After that, this location will be fetched. Then simply click on continue. And here you have to select the documents from any of these documents. You have to select it. Now what you have to click, start camera. Once you click on start camera, after that you have to just show the piece, means your ID card you have to show over here in the laptop camera. Okay, in the laptop camera you have to show your ID card. You have to show your camera, show the ID card on your camera. Now once you show the ID card, it will automatically fix the Image. Okay, do not worry that it is showing inverted. It will be automatically fixed. After that, you have to click on continue and submit the application. After a few hours, it will be accepted. As I'm not a student, that's why my application got rejected, but yours will be accepted. If it is not accepted, they'll share some important things, like it will say that update your name, update the billing account. If you need any help regarding it, you can comment down below. This was a quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead. Do like the video and share the channel.